Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal milk. First, you'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of cold water, and a pinch of salt. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or a couple of dates. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you start will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe yields delicious, creamy oat milk perfect for various uses. Now let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of cold water, and any optional sweeteners into a high-speed blender. It's crucial to blend for only about 20 to 30 seconds. Blending for too long can activate the starches in the oats, resulting in a slimy texture that nobody wants. A quick blend is all you need to achieve that perfect consistency. After blending, it's time to strain your oat milk. Place a nut milk bag or a very fine mesh sieve over a large bowl. Carefully pour the blended mixture through it. The key here is to let it drain naturally without squeezing the bag. Squeezing can push more of the starchy oat solids through, making your milk less smooth. Discard the pulp or save it for baking. Your homemade oat milk is now ready. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for about 3 to 5 days. Give it a good shake before each use, as some separation is natural. Enjoy your delicious, creamy oat milk in coffee, cereal, or smoothies. It's a fantastic dairy-free alternative. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.